taking a closer look at the Egret 60mm padlock. That's the key for it. It's a 6-pin core. Very heavy tension on that core. Made in China. It says that it's a hardened shackle. However, when we take something sharp, we can easily scratch this one up. So this is not a hardened shackle. But what can we expect? Anyway, that's the keyway. And we are going to pick it. Let's try a medium and a modified medium hook. And I picked this one, I don't know how many times. I got it about an hour ago in the mail. Number 1 is the gatekeeper. There we go. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Might have counted that one wrong, but anyway, we got it open. Egret 60mm padlock, all the way from China, and I got it for about, I don't know, on an auction, $3 maybe, but I got 5 keys for it, so that's good. Alright, thank you for watching, see you soon.